Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth analyses of the latest tech gadgets hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 2-in-1 laptop. A versatile powerhouse packed with features that cater to both work and play. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about performance. The IdeaPad Flex 5 is equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, boasting 8 cores for exceptional multitasking capabilities. Whether you're crunching numbers for work or immersing yourself in the latest gaming titles, this laptop delivers smooth, lag-free performance. Now, let's talk visuals. The 16-inch WUXGA touchscreen display offers a stunning resolution of 1920 x 1200, providing crisp, vibrant visuals for both work and entertainment. Plus, with its anti-glare properties, you can say goodbye to eye strain, even during extended use. One of the standout features of the IdeaPad Flex 5 is its 360-degree hinge, allowing you to seamlessly transition between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes. Whether you're typing up reports, streaming your favorite shows, or sketching out ideas with the included digital pen, this laptop adapts to your needs. In terms of connectivity, the IdeaPad Flex 5 has you covered. With Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, you can enjoy lightning-fast speeds and reliable connectivity, perfect for streaming, video calls, and online gaming. Plus, with multiple ports including USB Type-A, Type-C, HDMI, and a 4-in-1 card reader, you can easily connect all your devices without hassle. Now, let's talk about design. The IdeaPad Flex 5 sports a sleek and modern Arctic gray finish, making it a stylish addition to any setup. And thanks to its robust build quality and drop-down hinge design, you can trust that this laptop is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 2-in-1 laptop offers exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and unmatched versatility, making it a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable and feature-packed device. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative enthusiast, this laptop has something to offer for everyone. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, happy computing!